Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, upgrade time. Awesome. Derelict RC actually sent me a package of stuff today. Really awesome guy. And in that package for the SCX10, we've got 4 lower links as well as a metal steering horn that is going to go onto the deadbolt today. So I thought I'd do a bit of a video on this. I'll change maybe 1 or 2 of these on camera just for you guys, so it's not a really long video, but it's not that hard to do anyways. But if you are new to modifying or upgrading your RCs, this video will definitely help get you going as to what you need to do to install these metal links. Now I swapped over my deadbolt to 4-link front and rear, and I actually find it's a lot nicer than the 3-link that was on the front, and then of course you had 4 on the back. But so we've got the lower links. We're going to put them on today, and when I can, I'm going to get the upper links, and then everything will be metal there. But you've got to follow the pattern, right? I mean, you've got a thick side like this, so go directional with them. I really don't think you have to, but I would say do it anyways, go the direction. But I mean, you can get straight bar links too, type of thing. But for these ones here anyways, I'm definitely going to put them on the directions that, I feel they should be on. Now we do have to remove a suspension screw here, and the link has to go on to the insides, okay? Not on the outsides, but to the insides. So let's get started. So you're going to need an Allen key that fits properly. And you're going to need a pair of pliers as well to grab the nut at the other end here. Now I am going to keep this video going as far as, once I'm done all the links, I'll fire up the video again, and then we'll install the steering horn and then put the tires back on. That'll be the end of the video. Go. So you don't have to take the screw all the way out, just enough that you get past the shock and you free up your link. And it's the same Allen key for the shock screw as well as your chassis block. Now I've already pulled off my my rock sliders just because it makes it so much easier to work on this way. That one's out. And just until it stops on its own, without forcing it, then just get a little bit of extra snugness. That's all you need to do. that's on. Figure out where that went. There it is. Slipped on me. Probably use those screwdriver style Allen keys for sure. I'll have to keep that in mind for something in the future to buy. These Allen keys, I'm used to using them, but they are starting to get a little bit of a pain at times. There's one done. Okay, so I'm going to shut the camera down. I'm going to do the other three. They're all done exactly the same way for each one, so no big deal there. So you get the idea on how to do the first one anyways, and give you a bit of a zoomed in picture on that. There we go. So that's number one done. Okay, so we'll be... Hey guys, okay, so we've got all the metal links installed. New metal steering servo horn is installed as well. So she's looking pretty sick. Really liking that. So just a quick go over, a little bit of a shout out for the guys on the truck for now anyways. The Tank RC, well, Tank anyways. RC Crawler Workbench, me of course, Kevy's RC and Music. Budget Guy RC, have fun RCing. Derelict RC, of course, is right on the front here. RC Johnny, Tojo RC, RC VHX22, Big James RC. Zimmy, I believe it's 1958, if I remember correctly. I got his stickers here that are bigger that I actually have it on there. Pretty sure it's Zimmy 1958. Yeah, that would be it. So, but this one says Zimmy with a quadcopter. Gecko Guy, Reno Boys RC. Midwit is actually Blacksmith RC. And yeah, that's it for the truck for now. So, anyways, let's flip her upside down. Before we do that, I'll show you the front. There's our metal steering horn. It's on here now. Got to get all this to metal eventually because you need spongy. Okay, upside down. And there's the links that Derelict sent me. They're all installed. Thanks again so much, bro. That was awesome of you. The lighting kit that Derelict sent me, I'm going to check this thing out and see if I can install this probably in the Deadbolt. If not that, I have an idea for these things for sure. So we'll have to see where they end up going. But the metal links are all installed now for the lowers. So still lots more modding to go for metal parts, you know, down the road as things happen, you know. But she's coming along, and I really appreciate that donation again, Derelict. I mean, I still can't believe that. It is like, I wanted metal links for this because my plastic ones on the bottom were getting kind of, you know, and they twist, and, you know, I mean, plastic links kind of suck, right? So that was absolutely awesome of you, man, and that's going to definitely stiffen the truck up a lot, you know, and so that's cool. Really love that. So anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching, and hey, check out these guys' channels if you haven't already, and sub them. They're all awesome guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.